Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch SE to your iPhone. First, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS software. Next, charge your Apple Watch SE to at least 50% power. It's also crucial to turn on both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Finally, place your Apple Watch SE and iPhone very close together to facilitate a smooth connection process. These initial steps are vital for a successful pairing. Now, let's initiate the pairing. Open the Apple Watch application on your iPhone. You'll see a Start Pairing option on both devices. Tap it. Then, simply position your iPhone's camera over the unique animation displayed on your Apple Watch. If the automatic pairing doesn't work, you can always tap Pair Apple Watch manually and follow the clear, step-by-step instructions provided on your screen. This ensures flexibility in connecting. After successful pairing, it's time to personalize your new device. You'll be prompted to set up your watch as a new device or restore from an existing backup. Make sure to agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. Next, you'll create a secure passcode for your Apple Watch, which is important for security. Finally, customize your viewing experience by selecting your preferred text size and bold text options, making it perfectly suited for you. To complete the setup, you can choose to install available applications immediately or opt to do so later. Your iPhone will then begin syncing data with your Apple Watch, which might take a few moments. Once complete, you're all set. Feel free to explore the many features, customize your watch faces, and enjoy the seamless integration. Your Apple Watch SE is now fully connected and ready to enhance your daily life, offering convenience right on your wrist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.